Hi guys, I'm Zahara. 今天给大家带来35个地道口语。Let's talk about Chinese New Year or Spring Festival. Families sweep up to get ready for the New Year. 家庭成员进行大扫除，为新年做好准备。Sweep up, 大扫除。Sweep up, sweep up. Get ready for something. 为什么做好准备 ？Get ready for. Well done. Now our home is nice and clean. 做得好，现在我们的家非常干净。Nice and clean. Nice and 表示程度，非常。Nice and clean. Nice and clean. 非常干净。We visit the festive market to do some shopping for the new year. 我们去年货市场去置办一些年货。Do some shopping. 去购物。这里为新年购物就是置办年货的意思。It's a tradition to stock up on food for the coming new year. 为新的一年囤货是一个传统。Stock up on something. 储备、备足、囤什么东西。Stock up on food. 囤货。At the market, we can get New Year decorations and lovely new clothes. 在市场里，我们买一些新年装饰品，还有新衣服。Decoration, 装饰品。Decoration. Get, 得到，这里就是用作买的意思。Get New Year decorations. We decorate our home with red decorations. 我们用红色的装饰品来装饰一下家里。Decorate with. 用什么来装饰 Decorate our home with red decorations. We stick couplets on doors. 在门上贴春联。Stick, 贴 couplet, 对联 Stick couplets on doors. Stick couplets on doors. We hang lanterns on Chinese New Year. 我们在新年挂上灯笼。Hang, 悬挂 Lanterns, 灯笼 Hang lanterns, 挂上灯笼。If 2022 is your animal year, you should deck yourself out with red. Your animal year, 你的本命年。My animal year, 我的本命年。Deck somebody, something, out with, 用什么来打扮、装扮某人某物。Deck yourself out with red. Today is Chinese New Year's Eve.Grandma prepares tons of food for us. 今天是年30，外婆为我们准备了好多吃的。Prepare something for somebody. 为谁准备了什么 Prepare tons of food for us. 为我们准备了好多吃的。Prepare tons of food for us. In the north,Grandma prepares dumplings for us. 在北方，为我们准备饺子。In the south, Grandma prepares rice cakes for us. 在南方，为我们准备了年糕。Have some friends and relatives over for dinner. 邀请亲戚朋友过来吃晚饭。Have someone over. 邀请某人过来。Have some friends over for dinner. Family members get together and have a big meal. 家庭成员欢聚一堂，吃一顿大餐。Get together. Get together. 聚在一起。Get together. Or we can say gather together. Gather together. Have a big meal. 吃大餐。Have a big meal. The dinner tonight is called the reunion dinner. 这顿饭称作年夜饭。 reunion 团聚 reunion dinner 年夜饭 Grandparents will give kids red packets with the money inside 祖父母会给小孩发红包 red packet red packet or we can say red envelope 红包 red envelopes We will snatch WeChat red packets 我们会在微信里抢红包 snatch 抢 snatch WeChat red packets 抢微信红包 Kids get lucky money 孩子们会拿到压岁钱 lucky money 压岁钱 lucky money It's a tradition in China to watch Spring Festival Gala on New Year's Eve 在年30观看春晚是一个传统 Watch Spring Festival Gala 看春晚 Watch Spring Festival Gala While watching the gala, we have snacks and catch up. 看春晚的同时，我们吃点点心，随便闲聊。Catch up, 闲聊 catch up. At the end of the gala, we count down to midnight. 春晚快结束的时候，我们进行午夜倒计时。Count down to something. 倒计时 count down to midnight.午夜倒计时 We set off firecrackers to celebrate the new year 我们放鞭炮来庆祝新年 Set off 使什么爆炸 Set off firecrackers 燃放鞭炮 We also light the fireworks to celebrate the new year 我们也放烟花来庆祝新年 Light 点燃 Light the fireworks 燃放烟花 light the fireworks At midnight fireworks light up the sky to welcome in the new year 在午夜烟花点亮整个天空迎接新年 light up 点亮 light up On the first day some visit relatives and exchange New Year greetings新年第一天，有些人走亲访友，互相送上新年祝福。Visit 拜访 relatives 亲戚 Visit relatives Exchange 交换 Greetings 问候贺词 Exchange New Year greetings Others go to the temple fair to light incense and make their wishes另一些人去庙会烧香祈福 light or burn incense 烧香 light incense burn incense make one's wishes 许下愿望 make their wishes The next day, we go to a wonderful parade and watch lion or dragon dance. 第二天，我们去一个很棒的庆祝游行，观看舞狮舞龙。Lion dance, 舞狮 Lion dance. Dragon dance, 舞龙 Dragon dance. We have so much fun. 我们玩得很开心。Have fun, 玩得开心。Have fun. Or we can say, have a blast. 玩得超级开心。Have a blast. Have a blast. Thanks for watching. Happy Chinese New Year. See you next Friday. Bye.